In front of me is POCO F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit apps. Then tap on app lock here, hit turn on and tap on change password to pick the best login method for your apps. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, hit next at the bottom right corner. Then you can sign in and add your Xiaomi account or hit not now and confirm your choice in the pop-up after 5 seconds. Now if you wish to lock all of those apps, hit use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to tap on each one. Check 0 over here and then hit use app lock. Now choose whatever you want to in Fingerprint unlock pop-up and click on gray switchers next to apps you wish to lock. Then go back. So when I try to enter my app, I can see that app lock is required. To disable it from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your app lock and tap on the no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!